Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you one of my favorite dips, beetroot walnut hummus. This dip often goes under the radar, but with its vibrant color and taste it really stands out for me. And I love eating this with my afternoon snack. Let me show you how easy this is to make. So let's get cooking. In a food processor, add boiled chickpeas. You can use store-bought. Add boiled beetroot. Again, you can either boil it yourself or you can buy ready-made boiled beetroot. It just saves you time. A good amount of chopped walnuts. I've used a quarter cup of walnuts which I've unroasted. And for a little bit of kick, I'm adding paprika powder. Paprika powder gives a slight sweetness but at the same time a bit of spiciness also. Now, there is no hummus if you don't add tahini, which is a roasted sesame paste which has been blended together. 4 tablespoons of tahini. I love the sesame flavor, so I always add a little extra. It also helps to make the paste nice and smooth because of the liquid quantity and this wetness into the hummus. 3 cloves of garlic and salt. Salt is extremely important because that gets the flavor out of the hummus well. And a good squeeze of half lemon. I love lemon, and I think half a lemon is enough to give it a nice citric flavor to the hummus. Also gives it freshness. A couple of spoons of water, enough just to make sure you can blend the hummus well, and a tablespoon of good quality olive oil. Olive oil works extremely well with hummus. Now, because it's a beetroot, I want the flavors to come out well, I want the color to come out well, so I actually cheat and add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Now that brings out the color of the beetroot and makes it much pink in color, so much more vibrant, much brighter in color. Time to blitz it, and you can see the magic now. As soon as it begins to blitz, the chickpea color, which is a light tan or very light brown color, turns into a baby pink color. That is the beetroot color, which is so nice and inviting. Look at the color. Isn't that stunning? It is so inviting. Now, to offset the color of the baby pink of the beetroot, I'm going to spoon this onto a black colored plate because the colors of the beetroot really shine through well and it comes to life. So a generous quantity heaped on top of a plate, and then it is time to actually dress the plate and make it look nice. With the back of the spoon or the under part of the spoon, we lightly make a well on the center of the mound or the mount of hummus and evenly smoothen up the top. So what you get is actually a little well which will hold the olive oil. So drizzle olive oil in the center of the well and also sprinkle some olive oil or drizzle the olive oil on top of the hummus. Sprinkle some sesame seeds. Now as soon as you do that, look at the color. It contrasts so well. The whites of the sesame seed and the baby pink color of the beetroot really offsets well. And to garnish it off, a few jewels of pomegranate kernels, the ruby red jewels, they look so nice. And the final garnish is half walnut. So there we have it. Beetroot walnut hummus, all set to be dived into and enjoyed. Bon appetit!